всего, у вас задняя часть вашего телефона. You are fucking angry.
Contact.
Yeah, no, it's okay.
All if you want to Morocco and you already lost your mind.
Сегодня мы и ВЛ пойдем покупать что-нибудь вкусное. Одно точное место, которое охеренно принесет мне сейчас эмоций, теплых эмоций.
I have no idea what this motherfucker is saying, but we are here in the city center of Rabat.
Yeah, one, yeah.
Where are you from?
Welcome Morocco.
I know, but where are you from? Your country?
In country?
Your country. Where are you from? You're speaking Tunisian?
No good. Arabic.
غريبة.
مغربي وانت؟
مغربي ما شكش هذا معك
الله يحفظك. مزيان الله يسخر لك.
الله يحفظك عافية.
قولي مرحبا بك في المغرب. ويلكم Morocco.
Okay, bro.
Let's go. Pegasus.
Okay. Pegasus. What the fuck? You're selling phones? Oh man, I don't want to.
Selfie.
Selfie?
Yeah,
You
selfie.
can. You can, yeah.
Charlie.
You have
Charlie speak
Instagram.
Charlie.
Bro, I'm from
Charlie,
Russia. I'm just speaking a little bit English in
هذا
Russian.
قولي بلان سناني.
ها؟
قولي بلان سناني. قولي سناني عامرين.
لا ما فهمتش.
قولي سناني عامرين. داكشي ديال الكنيسة. يا فو.
Yeah, I'm full too.
قولي خالو لي دار لي داكشي. قولها لي.
نحس ما فهمتكش كيفاش هذا.
سناني عامرين بيرسونيس. لي بيبل. Look. محمد توينت.
You are fucking angry.
Contact لارانتي.
Yeah, I know. You are smiling.
Look. Speak. People. Look. محمد توينت.
Probably high on something because he was telling me in Arabic. I was speaking with him in Arabic and he tried to explain to me to explain to him that his teeth are full, which I have no idea what it means. Probably tries to say something like in a code but couldn't understand what he's trying to say, and he wanted me to explain it to him, which doesn't make any sense. And that's just a normal day in Morocco. Now we'll just I think what he was trying to say is that someone put a curse on him, and that's very popular here in مش مشكلة نصور. مش مشكلة نصور.
I need.
The shop owner is not here.
Really?
Yeah. Bob Rasley. He said they don't know the price, but if you wait a little bit, he will come. You can just go around and come back.
Maybe we. И сейчас мы находимся в Медина Маркете. И это популярная улица для торговли, типа базара у нас. И мы сейчас пойдем в магазин, и я покажу вам, какие там цены. Но перед этим мы обязательно покурим, поэтому тормози видео. В принципе, первый попавшийся магазин, мы сейчас зайдем и посмотрим, какие там цены. Что там есть вообще, какие взаимозамещения. Let's go. $14 дирхам. Это, в принципе, за такие же бабки. Абрикосовый сок. Нет, это не абрикосовый, это, короче, персиковый. Вообще ничем не отличаются. Но есть такой марокканский прикол. Его особенно любят всякие школьники. Эту штуку берут школьники перед тем, как пойти в школу. Я часто видел это из окна. Они заходят в магазин, берут себе одну такую штуку. И самое, что удивительное, марокканские дети пьют это особым способом, который я вам чуть позже покажу. Самая прикольная тема, которую можно купить в Марокко. Нет, это не то. tux or something of that. Just for 1 dirham. Извините за мой английский, это just
20 cents.
27, yeah.
20 cents.
20 cents?
Yeah.
Okay. No, what did?
And this one бесплатно.
Why? Because you snitched this?
No, I didn't snitch it. I didn't steal it, motherfucker. Here's Vadim eating, having his Moroccan snack. For Raibi is a drink for 2 dirhams, and this thing is for 1 dirham, which is 20 cents.
Not bad. Salam alaikum. Just don't worry, bro. Salam alaikum. This one, this one. Жуж. Положу я запреты в твой канал. На первый взгляд очень сахарная штука.
Say it in English, motherfucker.
And if you know, this guy use it.
Yes, bro.
Everybody knows me because I'm living here. I'm stuck here.
No, you're just lying. Don't be lying, motherfucker.
It's so much sugar here.
Yeah, it's sugarcane. What do you expect?
And they put a little bit lemon here. Its taste is good. I really like. I use it.
So this is a very popular drink here in Morocco. It got popular, I think, in the last 7 years or something like that, because before you can't find it. People start bringing machines from China and India, I think, but not very sure. Don't quote me on that. So basically, the price, if you drink it there, is 5 dirhams. If you take it in a plastic cup like this, I think it's for 7 or 8. And it's sugarcane, so very sugary. Supposedly good for your health, but I don't think so. And it's cheap, so what more reasons do you need? Now we're just gonna go to the beach and see what's going on there.
Медина в целом поинтереснее выглядит, чем... Не знаю, сейчас просто мало народу здесь, на самом деле здесь может быть гораздо прикольнее, но в Шишауне том же самом Медина выглядит гораздо интереснее. В целом, если вы вообще находитесь в Марокко, то скорее всего у вас задняя часть вашего телефона выглядит примерно так, и у вас в кармане по-любому полно гашиша. Вот когда я поеду в Шишаун, я вам покажу, какой легальный Амстердам может быть на этой земле. I'm so careful about
No, it's not.
About quality of this.
I'll try this.
I guess no.
Yeah, maybe the next time. In case you didn't see what that was, that's a cow's head steamed on the grill.
This was how much? It's sandwich, yeah?
10 dirham for everything. This is the meat of turkey and sauce of turkey and chicken. Handed gun sandwich.
With bread, with this, yeah?
Yeah?
Okay, you can just make this of this.
Okay.
Sure. This is potato, this is mushrooms, I think.
It's not mushroom.
This is sausage. It's not mushroom. I guess it's okay. Yeah, spicy. Yeah.
That's cumin.
Yeah, cumin. Spicy.
Spicy, yeah, I'm agree. Half of this price, 10 dirham.
Just one?
Yeah, just one. Shocker. We'll try it.
Try and tell us what you think. Check this dog.
Let's see, what is this? It's a big one. So
Turkey meat, turkey sausage, and
it's a chicken,
spices.
right?
Turkey.
It's a chicken.
No, turkey. Like
Okay,
that.
I will try it right now. Yeah, it's not bad. It's good for this price. But I thought this guy might taxes of me.
No, in this area, they give you the real prices, but it depends on the person. Now we're making those kind of videos with the prices so you can know. If you come to Rabat, you know how much to pay, and prices don't change too much here. It's not like in Istanbul, every few weeks new prices.
Not meat.
What is it?
It is
Sausage,
I don't know how we can call it in English.
organs, like liver.
Maybe I don't know.
No, there is turkey meat and sausages and liver. So it's all the three mixed up.
Yeah, I will gonna get this.
And this is a nice coffee shop in the Medina if you're on a date or just want to hang out, watch the tramway pass by.
Hadim.
What the fuck is it? It's for me?
It's watermelon.
It's
For you. It's for you, my friend.
Really?
Yes.
Let's go with me to the beach.
Okay, let's go to the beach.
Video. I should snitch it.
You know, because you should, you know, yeah.
I'm pretty good.
Good. When I eat this, you can go back to the real. With teeth.
هيدا اللي رايح فيها بطش دي رايح فيها بس.
Okay, it's okay. Don't.
Yeah, no, it's okay. Morocco is really good. It's very fucking pretty good people. Okay, I wanna go.
Come, take your shit. Your shit.
What is it?
Fuck this guy.
Fuck, it's left hand, it's not right hand. Fuck. Oh.
Man,
I don't know
all if you
nothing
want in
about
Morocco and you already lost your mind.
Salam alaikum. Can I have? Huh? Can I have? Sorry, I don't understand Arabic.
شحال خاص؟
2 dirham. Примерно 48 рублей две такие байды стоят. Сейчас скажу вам, как это на вкус.
And this is called millefeuille, which it's French, which means 1,000 paper. Think for those layers, but I don't think it's a full 1,000. But it's really good. And now we're still eating this, and we got some guests.
If you high and you want to eat something of sugar, of sweet, it's so easy in Morocco. Ten out of 10. This
Cracks.
selection. Yeah.
Your ass cracks.
Get the fuck out of here.
you can see white houses, blue houses, and this is not shown. This is just an area near the Medina called the Uday. It's where the beach is, but we are late, so
The sound
there
is
is
blue.
not too much people. And this,
It's not white.
yeah, it's white and blue.
Take the permission, please. Okay?
Forget it.
Hey, GoPro.